Hi guys, hi guys. In this project, we're going to create a cloud storage. Our first task is to create a cloud bucket storage. So let's kick it up. Click drop down menu. Okay, click it. Click cloud storage. Click bucket. Wait for it to load. Okay, it have loaded. Click rate. Then your bucket name, make sure you give it a global unique name. So I prefer using my project ID name as my bucket name. Copy, and I append bucket in front before the project ID. Okay, then check multi-region. Okay, choose storage. Okay, set as default. Next one, choose access control. Okay, follow the lab instruction. Prevent public access. Okay, enforce public access prevention on this bucket. I uncheck. Then under access control, okay, I tick fine grade, continue. Then the rest is I will create my bucket. Always follow the instruction on the instruction lab. Bucket created. Bucket created. Okay, is loading. Okay, is loading. As you can see, this is our bucket name. So we have successfully created our bucket. So we will move to next stage. Remember to check your progress on your instruction lab. Okay, we have to download a sample file and make a copy of it. So first of all, we have to activate a cloud shell. Wait for it to load. Okay, follow your lab instruction. Then I paste this. So export bucket name. I will now this place specify your bucket. Enter your bucket name. I will now clean it and copy my bucket name. Okay, that. So I have to verify the bucket by echoing the bucket name with bucket name. The echo $sign bucket name 1. We have to be sure. Oh, sorry. Rather, I'll type it. Echo bucket name. Enter. As you can see, this is our bucket name, so we are right. So the next one is to type a command, load a sample. Type a command that will download a sample file. So let's go and copy the command line on the project on the lab. Okay, this command, hit enter. Okay. We have to make a 2 copy of that file by pasting this command cp setup html setup 2 and setup 3. So hit enter. Okay, that's it. Okay, sorry, as you can see, I use cap lock on it, so it didn't work. Command not found, so I have to switch off the catalog. Then as you can see, setup 2 and setup 3, the file is copied. So next we have to copy the file to a bucket and configure the access control list. They have to copy a command, type a command line usct setup.html gs dot colons / bucket name 1. So we have to type okay gs util cp setup dot colon / $, okay, bucket. Bucket name 1 / so I think that's all. Hit enter. Authorize. As you can see, file copy. Okay, the next thing, for us to get the default access list that has been assigned to setup.html, we have to run this following command. So gs util, sorry, it's catalog, gs util sql get $, catalog, bucket name, name 1 / setup.html. Then space greater than sign space sql dot test tst space cat sql dot tst. Always cross check your the command you type on your shell. Always cross check, if because it is case sensitive. If you make a single mistake, it will not go. As you can see, instead of AC after gs util, I went and typed z. So let's check again. I think that's all. I hit enter. The command, did you mean to use a gs ur? Let's check. Or rather, let me copy and paste it. I think it will be better. Okay, we got it right. Maybe I made mistake. Maybe some kind of, like I said, it is case sensitive. Maybe I give a space where there is no space. Maybe something like that occurred. This one is, so we have to set the access list to private and verify the results. We have to paste this command line. Enter. Okay, good. Now to update the access list and make it publicly readable, we have to run this following command. I paste and click enter. Allow it to, okay. That is it for this one. Go ahead and check your progress in your instruction lab and click verify or check your progress and move to. So now we have to verify that for this file setup.html have the public access on the bucket cloud storage bucket. So we navigate to this place and to the bucket we created and check if it had a public access. So let's, okay, as you can see, have a public URL link. So now we have to delete the local file and copy back from the cloud storage. So either you return to your cloud shell and activate it again if not yet deactivated. If it's activated, but if you're not yet deactivated, just go back to your cloud shell and run the following command rm, like to remove that file we copied. To remove it, you have to use this command line rm means remove setup.html. We have to run the command to remove it. So we go back to our cloud shell. My own is still running, up and running. So okay, let me clear. Then rm, so setup, sorry, setup.html, hit enter. So remove. Okay, so to verify that the file has been deleted, run the following command ls, like you list to see the file that is in your directory. Ls, yeah, it's no longer there. So that is for this one. To copy the file from the bucket again, run the following command gsutil cp gs:/bucket name 1//setup html setup space setup html1. So once you run this command, you have to copy it back to the bucket again. So let's run the command, or to be in safer side, let's copy the line. Okay, copy it and paste. Operation completed. That is it. So the next task, you have to generate customer supplied encryption key. To generate this, you have to run the following command. You have to run the following command for us to generate an encryption key. Okay, I copy the command line, paste. As you can see, we will now copy this key, excluding this b and this backward slash. So we copy the key inside of it, stopping at this equals to sign. So we copied. Sorry, my command line sometimes it misbehave. Oops. Sorry. Okay, so I've copied it, paste it somewhere. So we have to move to the next stage. So we have to modify the bottle file. The encryption control key are contained in this GSUT configuration file named bottle. So for that reason, you have to view and open the bottle file and run the following command ls space -al flag then nano.bottle to edit it. So we have to type the code or copy and paste and run, then edit it. So sorry, what's happening? Okay, I've pasted it. Wow. There is nothing in here. Okay, that means I have to create the bottle file again and run the command back. So to create the bottle file, we have to run this command gsutil config space -n. Once you run this command, you now create it again, then we open it back to edit. So for us to, they have to quit it, which is Control X. So we have to command, which is gsutil space config space fn. Okay, and let's go back the command again to edit. So I'll paste again, hit enter. What's happening to my, sorry, I got my class share got hand up. Don't know. Okay. Is up. We have to locate the encryption key where they wrote encryption key and paste, uncomment it and paste our encryption key, which we copied somewhere on my sticky note. We have to locate the place. Okay, I have located it. I see it here. Encryption key and paste there. Okay. Then I'm gonna copy the encryption key. Okay. And paste. Yeah, I think we are right. We are good to go. Now save. Oh, sorry. I suppose not to delete the encryption key down, so I have to repaste it back. Are you supposed to just uncomment it and paste this in front? So I'm going to paste it here. Okay, that is it. We are good to go. I will now save and quit. Control O, enter. Sorry, Control O, enter, and Control. So that is it. We move to the next stage. So we have to upload the remaining set of file and verify in the cloud console. So I have to rush it to because of the time allotted to this lab. So I have to rush it and kind of just follow the procedure as I'm going down to the end of it. So just follow up. Thank you. So you have to go to client console and verify the HTML1, HTML2 is yeah. I have to refresh. As you can see, no public. Oh, this is right. Just the procedure I'm just trying to rush everything, and always follow your lab instructions. I have to comment the encryption key How to comment the encryption key, then uncomment the decryption key, copy the encryption key I pasted on the encryption and paste it down to decryption key and uncomment it. So this is it. So comment, I have to comment it back and copy this key, then come down to decryption key 1, comment it and paste it. Okay, Control O and Control S is it. So I have to generate another key by running this command. Okay, I'll copy it again like before, paste. I have to do this the same way, and no, this one is encryption key 2. Uncomment the encryption key 2 and paste it back then. So the same procedure we did for encryption key 1. Sorry, I already copy it out. Control O and we have to rewrite the key for file 1 and comment out the old decryption key by running this command. Okay, we have to comment out that decryption key 1 by going there to comment it out. I commented it out. So Control Enter, Control S. We have to download setup 2 and setup 3 by running this command. Enter. Okay. This is for the tray, file tray. We have to view the current life cycle for the file, so by running this command. Okay, has no life cycle configuration. Okay, we have to create a JSON file policy file by running this command. Another live.json. There's line of code you have to copy and paste here and save. So okay, that's 0. So enter, Control S to exit. So to set the policy, we have to run this following command. This is the life cycle set is bucket. So click enter. As you can see, setting life cycle configuration on. To verify the policy, we have to run this following command. Okay, as you can see, the do have been set. So we have the version status of the bucket by running this following command. Okay, so this suspended policy means that it is not enabled. To enable it, you have to run this following command. Okay, enabling versioning of all. Yes, so to verify if it is enabled, we run this following command. Enabled, as you can see, enabled. So that is it for this one. I think go ahead and check your instruction menu. Just check your progress and move to another stage. So now we have to create the several version of the bucket, several version of the file. They have to verify and see the size of the sample file. So we have to run this command ls space -al. This means this al minus al flags to list all the sizes of the bucket and the permissions which it has. So as you can see, this hyphen here means it is a file. If it is a directory, it will carry D, showing that it's a directory, but it's a file. That's why you are seeing this hyphen. And this RW means read and write. Read and write. So I have read and write for the owner. So as you can see, okay, oh, this is size. You can see it. So we'll move on to the next one. We have to run this file now. Open this file in nano setup. Okay, and delete 5 lines to change the size of the file. So what are we going to delete here? What? After we delete, we now save and close. Okay, this is HTML, HTML file. I don't want to delete the header. Let me start from this style. Okay, we have to delete 5 lines. This one is 1. I'm deleting the 2, second line, deleting the 3rd line, just be counting it, 4th line, and 5th line. So I did a whole style tag. So all the setting on that style tag deleted. Control O, enter, Control S. So we have done the instruction given. So we have to copy the sample file of HTML. Okay. And again, I'm going to open it in nano file and delete any 5 line again, like we did before. The same way. Which one will I delete now? I don't want to delete header file, or should I go ahead and do that? Let me delete the li tag, which is list. Let me delete the li tag, which is the list. I think and then delete the li tag under the UL tag, which is on wall list. So I see we did 5 lines. So I've deleted 1. This one is 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this one is 5. But I have to delete this remaining one because I have removed the blanket flag that's covering them. So let me delete this one too also. So thank you. Or let me just let me leave it this way. I still maintain that 5 line because I still this of it. So Control O, enter, Control S, exit. Again I have to copy the following file again to list all version file of this sample file. Run this command. I have to be quick. Okay, as you can see the versions. So I have to install the version file environment variable. So by running anyway, new line. What is going on? Okay, I have to enter the version name. Okay, enter the version name. Let me use sample. Okay, I've specified it. I will now verify the variable I created. Okay, good is there, which is this is sample. So sorry. Okay, I created it. This invalid bucket name. Okay. Now verify it. Okay. That's it. So I've exited. So we have to go into a tab to launch the second project ID name. So I have click launch the new interface. Zero. Okay. So you launch. So we have to add. We are working on correctly on the project ID 1, so we have to add project ID 2 and work on that. So you have to go and go to instruction lab and copy the project ID 2 and paste it here and switch back to that one. So let's go there. Okay, I copied it. It's searching for it. Okay, this is it. Click. I switched to project ID 2. This is the environment. Okay. So we have to create a bucket with a unique name, global unique name. like I said earlier, I normally use my project ID as my bucket name. I click drop down. This is my project name. Or I can copy it from here. Project name, project ID too. So allow it to load. Okay. Bucket. I will name this one bucket 2 hyphen paste my bucket name. Continue. Allow it to load. Okay. Multi-region. Okay. Access control. Access control. Switch to fine grain. Continue. And create. Allow it to create. Confirm. Done creating. So we have to upload file. Oh. Okay. Open. Done uploading. Dismiss. Just note down the name of the file we uploaded. They will not I am row service account. Allow it to load. Okay, loaded. Create service account. Then service account name, the instruction given on the lab. So okay. Click create and continue. Allow it to create. On the row, click storage. Storage via. Storage object view. Storage object via row. So the row is storage object via row. Click continue and done. Then let me locate the file we created. Oh, as you can see it here. Cross project view. Okay. Click it. Open it. Okay, we have to add key, JSON key on the key tab. Click. Allow it to load. Okay, click add key. Create a new key. JSON. Click create. It's download local machine. You upload it later. Close. We upload this key later. So we are going to rename this key we created. Let me go to my local disk and rename it. Okay. Rename. Okay. Enter credential.json. Okay. So I have renamed it. So where you get to create a VM instance, switch to project 1 and click VM instance. Good. So create a VM instance. Okay, give it a name. Europe West 1, Europe West 1, Europe West 1D. Okay, series and one. Okay, a disk. Need the student create. Okay, click create. We click create and we'll have to access SSH to the VM we created and run the command specified on the instruction lab. We're launching the SSH. We want to log into the VM instance we created. Oops. Okay, we try without cloud identity access and identity key. So okay, we are in. Paste. Enter the bucket name 2 here. Okay, bucket name 2. So have to go to 2 under bucket. So copy the bucket name to add it here. So okay, verify it. Okay, we are good. Okay, we are going to export the file name the file we uploaded on the bracket in project 2, which is script.png. Copy it. Okay, copy it, paste it. Oh, oops, you didn't copy. Script.png. You didn't copy, I'll just type it. Scripts.png. Okay, we have to verify by echoing file name. Okay, we're good. We have to list the file. Okay. Okay. So we have to upload the CSEK we downloaded. Click upload file. Choose file. We are in our download folder. Okay. Open. Upload file. Connection. What could be this connection error? Oh, sorry, I lost connections. Okay, it's back. Tick is back. Let's go ahead and try again. Okay. Think suppose upload. Yeah, we are done. Okay, click on. Let me check by listing it. Okay. That's good. Sorry. I think I renamed the file wrongly. I suppose when I renamed this file, I supposed to remove that .json. I suppose only it within only, not adding .json. That's why I'm seeing double.json. We're not supposed to be this way. So I'm going to remove this file and rename it to only. I removed the file because the renaming pattern is wrong. I went ahead and renamed it credential.json instead of only credentials. You understand? So I went ahead and removed it by typing rm to remove, then the name of the file, which is credential.json.json. So it's just supposed to carry this double.json. It's supposed to carry only .json. So I went ahead and renamed it on my local machine, remove .json, just leave only credential. Then when I upload it, it will now append with .json. So we are going to upload it right away. So choose file. I have renamed to credential only, removing the .json, upload file. Okay, let's check it again. As you can see, it's now credential.json, not credential.json.json. So we're on the right now. I want to try the VM by pasting this code. Okay. I have to verify the access. Okay. I will try this code again. Okay. I have to copy this credential. Invalid URL followed by the. Hey, this is giving me issue. Let me verify them. Let me do the environment variable again. Okay. If we can navigate out from this. Okay, let me echo it to be sure. Okay. I want to specify the file name. Okay. Good. Let's try this one. Okay. Okay, which means I got it wrong. So I have to remove these quotes. Okay. It's not giving me what I want. Okay, I think it's copied. Let's try again. Okay, I think we get it here. Let's check. The next one is 22. Click I am row. Allow it to load. Then locate the service we created, which is cross projects. Okay, cross project, and click the paste icon to edit. So change the storage object to storage object admin. Then click. Let's check if you can see it here. So storage object admin. Okay, click save. Once I think this place, you go and verify your progress on the instruction tab. So we move to the next stage. I'll return to the stage terminal and type this command to copy the credential JS file to bucket name 2, and it's copied. Okay, it's copied. Move to another one. Move to another one. I think yeah, that's all. So this is the end of this lab, and it's really gave me tough time, but eventually, well, completed the task. So I will exit. Okay, in this lab, I learned to create and work with buckets and objects, and I learned about the following features for class storage: CSK customers and supplied encryption key customer. You understand? So and again use and I use own encryption keys, rotate key, ACL, which is access control list, and I set an ACL for private and modify the public. And then lifecycle management, I set policy to delete objects after 31 days version, 31 days rather. I change the versioning, I create a version and restore a previous version. And directory synchronization, I recursively synchronize a VM directory with a bucket. Cross project resources sharing using IAM, and